Alright folks, here we got this iRobot Roomba 561 model. It's in great shape, it works great, and the battery here lasts about an hour and 48 minutes with my testing. That's to the max. So the battery here is excellent. It's better than some new batteries out there. So like I said, this Roomba is a 561 model, and it's used. It's not new, so you might have a little blemishes. I'll show you guys what I got here. So first of all, I got a cleaning tool here, which is in great shape. I got a brand new extra side brush with 6 layers. Also, I got the 3 AeroVac filters in here. So extra brand new filters, 3 of them. And a charger, which is a 110 volt, 120 volt. And here's a docking station, which is in excellent condition also. It's a slim docking station. And here's the Roomba itself. So this is the Roomba 561 with the AeroVac vacuuming system here. So like I said, this Roomba is in used condition, so you might see a little bit of blemishes, maybe a little bit here and there. Alright. If you guys take a look at the pictures, you guys see a little more detail there. And if you have questions, please let me know. Here's the bumper area. Alright, here's the bottom side. Here we got a 3-legged brush which is in excellent condition. And a front wheel, which is also in excellent condition here. There you go, so that's 561 model. Alright. I'll remove the dustbin here. So this is the AeroVac dustbin here. Everything has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes, so you get nice clean Roomba. There's a serial number in case anybody interested in. Alright. The brushes here have been cleaned out and disinfected also. Everything has been cleaned, like I said. So yeah, really good condition Roomba. Also the clean head module also have been cleaned out and re-lubed, so you get long life out of this Roomba. And I'll show you guys how it works. So here we go. And I'll do a straight run so you guys see that the bumper sensors work correctly. So everything works fine, everything has been tested. Make sure everything functions 100%. So here's a straight run. There you go. There you have it, folks. Thanks for watching.